In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2017 MCQs, that is, which of the following function is analytic in complex plane? Solution: the function f of z is equal to z is nowhere analytic, which can be easily verified. Let's suppose f of z is equal to 2x plus iota x y square. Here ux is equal to 2x, vxy is equal to xy square. So partially differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 2x partially differentiate with respect to x is equal to 2. Next, partially differentiate with respect to y, that is derivative of xy square is equal to xy, that is equation number second. Next, third equation, differentiate partially with respect to y, so y with respect to x is equal to 0, that is equation number 3. Next, partially differentiate with respect to x, so equal to y square, equation number 4. Hence equation partial u over partial x is equal to partial u over partial y is equal to, so 2 is equal to xy, so 2 to cancel, 1 is equal to xy, that is equation number 5. Next, and partial u over partial y is equal to minus partial v over partial x, so partial u over partial y is equal to 0, so equal to minus partial v over partial x is equal to y square, so y square is equal to 0, that is equation number 6. Equation 5 and equation 6 cannot be satisfied simultaneous equation at any point z, hence the function is now here analytic. The function f of z is equal to z square is polynomial and hence an entire function, so option D is correct, that is only 3. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.